Hello everyone, welcome to Insurance Business TV as we celebrate one of this year's 5-star wholesale brokers and MGAs, Monarch E&S Insurance Services. Now in this edition we're joined by Yiana Stavrakis, who is President of Monarch E&S, to not only look at the company's success, but to get an assessment of the E&S market and recent developments in the space. Yiana, welcome to Insurance Business TV.
Hi, Paul. So happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
So congratulations, of course, to Monarch ENS on being named among this year's 5-star wholesale brokers and MGAs. What do you think led to that success?
First, it's a huge honor. I think it's our 5th year in a row receiving the 5-star recognition. I'd be remiss if I didn't give a ton of credit to our team at Monarch. They are hardworking, engaging, and really knowledgeable within the E&S space. We average about 15 plus years of experience in both commercial and personal lines. So shout out to the Monarch team. Thank you for all that you do. They've been engaging with our retail broker customers and our carrier partners to find solutions for insureds across the country. So thank you to our partners, thank you to our team at Monarch, and thank you to IBA.
Sure, they appreciate the shout out. And like you said, it's incredible to do it 5 years in a row. But looking specifically at this year and the E&S market as it stands now, are there any trends that you think retail brokers should be mindful of?
The major trend that retail broker customers should be mindful of is that the market is rapidly changing daily. I've never seen anything like this before in our history. Usually cycles are longer, hard or soft, and it's usually more general across all lines of business. But recently, different lines of businesses are hard versus soft, and it changes every month. So what I would say advice-wise is partner with a great wholesaler and MGA that you can trust, who stays abreast of these changes so you don't have to navigate the ship by yourself.
When we're talking about shifts and things accelerating very quickly, that leads us naturally, of course, to automation, which has been a massive theme in the E&S space and beyond. So tell us how you're utilizing tech at the moment.
Yeah, technology is extremely important for the MGA sector, as evidenced by it having its own category in the IBA 5-star. Self-service, quote indications, those are all table stakes. Usually the MGAs have those kind of services and technology. But artificial intelligence right now, that is the buzzword. I just saw an article that came out regarding how AIG is utilizing technology and artificial intelligence beyond just servicing and in the sales component. So I think artificial intelligence is going to be the next thing. Our organization is doing case studies with regard to servicing and automating that piece. But I think it's really important to rest assured our staff, our partners, that we're going to be super transparent in this journey and that we're just utilizing technology to take monotonous tasks off of our team's plate so that they can focus on the things they like to do. Also, technology is ever changing, just like our marketplace today. So be thoughtful in how you deploy vendors and do it piecemeal because it'll be changing tomorrow. So.
And another major focus, of course, has been data. Reinsurers are seeking insurers to supplement that data with third-party information to identify markets for new products and anticipate those claims experiences. So tell us about any new products that you've launched or indeed areas where you're seeing opportunity.
Yeah, data is king for reinsurers and for MGAs just to even be able to present opportunities in the program space. We're working on a few. I'm not going to give that confidential information today, but one product that we do have is a personal article floater product, and that's for fine arts and jewelry. It's a national product that we've built probably 20 years ago that actually is more relevant today than it's ever been with the unbundling of standard homeowners markets. PAF is a need within the E&S space. We definitely have data to back up our products. We can forward think as to how we shift our coverage based on the demographics today and the marketplace. We have high limits and significant expertise within the space, as well as our reinsurers and the markets that we partner with. But data daily is something that we look at to make sure our product is relevant and successful.
Looks like we'll have to come back to you to find out more about those products that are in the works as well. But obviously, you've smashed it in the eyes of brokers in terms of your success in this 5-star survey. But is there anything that you think retail brokers could do better to support their relations with wholesalers?
Yes. As mentioned earlier, the marketplace is crazy right now. So having one or two intermediaries or wholesalers that a retail broker can lean on is probably the best path forward. Not only do you kind of not block the marketplace, which is the worst thing you can do, right? You want to be able to come to an underwriter where time is limited with a strategic partner, intermediary, or wholesaler that knows the carriers, can get your submission to the top of the pile, and can actually get results for your clients. So I would say retailers who utilize many wholesalers just to block the marketplace is probably not going to see the best result for their clients in this day and age. So pick a great partner who knows the business, who knows how to get the submissions to the top of the pile.
Yeah, it's a great tip. And Yiana, huge thanks for your time and congratulations again to Monarch ENS Insurance Services on being named among this year's 5-star wholesale brokers and MGAs. And for more insights on all things ENS and beyond in the insurance market, well, keep it right here on Insurance Business TV.